Lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. In today's hair tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can style this easy hairstyle for your child. Are you a mom that is working a lot and you don't have time to make your child a big hairstyle, and you are looking for that easy hairstyle that will not take much of your time? This video is yours. This hair will not take up to, if I'm not mistaken, 5 minutes. You are done. So sit tight, let me walk you through on how to style this easy hairstyle. And please don't fail to hit that like button, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Before you start, make sure you moisturize your daughter's hair and spray it with either water or rosemary water. So I just sectioned this hair round. I sectioned just one circle in the middle. So I'm going to do the other part just six. So this hairstyle we are going to do now is just 7. So my daughter came back from kindergarten and she said, "Mommy, I want a new hairstyle." So, and someone asked me before if it's possible for her to create a hairstyle without using hair gel, like hair control. Then I told the person, yes, it's possible. And she asked me to please create a style for her to just know that, okay, she can use just moisturizer to make her hair. I said, yes, it's possible. So that's what I'm going to do with this hair right now. I'm not going to, this is my China Jam, just for you to know that I have it. So, but I am not going to use it. So after I section the hair into 6 parts, apart from the one in the middle, okay, into 6. So what I did when I was sectioning it, I was using rubber band to hold it. So I have to do it first to make sure all the sizes, they are all the same. Then I will start maintaining the parts, then use moisturizer to comb it very well, just like so, you know. And after I do this, I spray my rosemary water and tangle-free spray to it. Then I comb it with first spacey comb, which is big comb. Then after that, I'm going to use my tiny comb to just smoothen the parts. Okay, this is what I did. I used the tiny one to smoothen the parts, like to smoothen the hair. Then I use rubber band to hold it. So, and in the middle of this hair, I'm not going to use rubber band to hold it. The reason I'm going to do that is because I just want you to know that without rubber band, you can also make this hair. So what I did in this hair right now, I just try to fast it. So you just know, I don't want to waste much time here. So it's done. I finished packing them. It's moisturizer I use all through. I didn't use China Jam to touch her hair. So the difference between you making hair with China Jam, with hair control. Okay, let me not be measuring a particular name. The difference between you not using that and you using it. If you don't use it, your hair will still be fine, but it will not be that smooth, like that strong. You understand? It will not be that strong. That's just the difference, but your hair will still be fine with or without that. So as you can see, the part of this hair now, the part is smooth, the part is clear. So I didn't use any edge control, but it still came out very well. So, and this is the middle that I'm making right now. If you'll notice it, I didn't use rubber band to hold it. I decided to make it like this. So you will see that you can also start your hair without using rubber band. But the round one, which is the 6 that I sectioned, I'm not going to remove the rubber band. I'm going to make it that way. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. So the attachment I'm using is expression braid. I used this hair before. It's not new. I just maintain it, comb it. Like I've not used it before, but it's not new. It's from the leftover from the hair that I used before. Is what I'm using now. So, and yeah, the way I made it now, this is how I just continue making the hair. Yeah, I hope this hair suits your taste. I hope is more you handle it also more easier. So another thing, guys, if you are making this kind of hair, if you feel that the hair is too big, like the quantity you are holding is too big, what you should do is, I session mine everything 7. You understand? So you can make yours 10. You can make yours more tinier, and you can even make it more bigger if you want. But how many you session it is optional. So this is how I just needed something very, very fast, because my baby is sleeping. So I want before my baby wake up, because the big sisters, they are not around, they are still in school. So I just want to quickly just make the kindergarten girl hair, and let me just be done before the baby wake up, because if not, I'm going to back her and I'll be making hair. So it's to tell on my waist. So to avoid that, I have to make an easy hairstyle as possible. So as a mom that is also working, I hope this hairstyle also suits your taste. I hope you like it. You find it interesting to try on your child. And if you do, I want to really hear about it in the comment section. Comment what you think about this hair. So to make this hair more stylish, you will need a colored rubber band. Like what we use to pack it is black, yes, but to make it more stylish, we will need a colored rubber band, any color of your choice. But me, I'm going to be using pink. Okay, so if this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate your support. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. To my 20 subscribers, thank you so much for your endless support. I really appreciate you all. So you see, this is the pin that I had to the hair. Before I put the rubber band, I fold it into 2, just for me not to waste my time. I fold it into 2, then I just placed it twice. Then the last part is going to be bead. So this is the bead my sister bought for me from all the way from Nigeria. So I didn't order it online, so I don't have a link to the bead. So also the crochet pin I'm using now is a tiny crochet pin. She also bought it from me from Nigeria. I did not order it. So, and the moisturizer that I used, I bought it from Action. So I did not order it. So I don't have a link to it either. But either way, just use what you have in your possession, and I hope this hairstyle look good on your child too when you try it on your child. And this is the final result of this hair.